Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Now today we're going to dive right into the technicals and price action of crypto. What's going on here? Taking a look at CoinMarketCap, going really from the top down, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting at $28,353 and counting. So really rallying up, a big rally after that false information that happened yesterday with the BTC spot ETF that was, a false report that it was approved. But looking here, XRP is at 48 cents, huge opportunity. Cardano, 24 cents, huge opportunity. Just see a ton of opportunity here when we're looking at CoinMarketCap. But going to the charts. So I made some fun of myself yesterday. My team said, you know what? You say a lot. And I listened back to that video. I'm like, wow, I said, like the whole video. So I had to poke some fun at myself and try to eliminate, from my vocabulary. So wish me luck. So taking a look at Bitcoin price action, head and shoulders forming up. I do not think it's a coincidence that Bitcoin wicked this level that we had here and then jumped and bounced right off of that level. So we'll see how this plays out. We are expecting a break of the neckline either way. So we have a level of resistance at 30,000, another level of support at 25,000. Even psychologically, I do believe that this is something that should be paid attention to, because if either way happens, it's going to spark massive emotional bias within the market. I do not see us clearing 30,000 though. I do have a bias. You see the arrows pointing down. We are bearish till further notice. I think a pullback is necessary and it's going to have a trickle effect to all these other altcoins. So looking at Ethereum, Ethereum's respecting this trend line that we've had there for a while. Just respecting it. We've had this trend line on this chart for months now. And it's being respected. You see it bounced off, and we want to see what happens at this level. This is a level, you could put this as a level of support, but we want to see what happens here at this level. We're going to break through because we see a head and shoulders here as well. If you want to call it that, we can say this is a head and shoulders here as well, and consider that as such. It's not as perfectly formed, but it's definitely there. So I would pay attention to this level and see what exactly is the market going to do. Are we is our technical analysis correct? Or are we just putting lines and stuff and don't know what we're talking about? We shall see. Sticking with our bias though, I got Ethereum falling off a cliff as well. And we're going to see that, what happens. So this is what I see here with Ethereum. I think Ethereum's going to go on sale. I think it's going to clear. It's at least go to $800. I actually have a $400 Ethereum in mind. I think 800 is reasonable when we're talking about the price action and what I see in the next level of support after breaking and heading down. So same thing holds for Cardano. Cardano is respecting this level of 25 cents very closely and really respecting this level as you see here. And in some regard has been ranging for a while now. This is a weekly time frame, so each candle is a week. So it's been ranging there and just expecting some type of movement. Going to HBAR. HBAR is falling within the triangle too, similar to what we saw with Ethereum. And I think it's just gearing up for a drop. A drop is okay, right? Everyone, thought I was crazy when I said Ethereum could go to a penny to 2 cents. And they don't think that that's possible. I think that is 100% probable if everything falls the way it's supposed to, and that is okay. And I guess we got to get a shift in our minds with understanding that pullbacks and retracements are areas of opportunity. It's not an area of, oh my goodness, it's dropping, it's gonna fail. No, it's if it just shot up straight up, that's not necessarily a good thing for a healthy market. That's not healthy for a growing ecosystem or anything in particular that you can think of. Even if you look at stocks, anything that just shoots up and never pulls back, just straight up, typically they go straight down as well. You want to see these waves. You want to see the waves with the market. That's the signs of a healthy market. Buyers and sellers that are really making the market healthy. So this pullback is actually not only area opportunity, it's showing that this is healthy, and the market is growing and it's going to go through growing pains, and this is one of those growing pains, I believe. So I'm still bullish on HBAR. I do think that it will go to anywhere from 3 cents to 1 cent. I think I can just shoot in the middle and say 2 cents, but it's really after we break this level right here, which is around 0.035, if that clears, then I do believe it's about where the bottom is found after that point. So we have this circle right here, which is, the most recent low. And once that clears to make a new low, I just think it's about where do you find that level of support to, really rebound from that. So we'll see what happens. That's kind of my outlook, from a technical standpoint. I know it's not the most popular thing to talk about Bitcoin dropping. Most people are not talking about that. I actually heard somebody yesterday say Bitcoin will be 40,000 next month. And, that's optimistic. But if you look at everything from a macro standpoint, I just do not see how that happens. Like, how does that happen with everything going on? I was looking at international real estate yesterday. The interest rates there are even inflated. It's not just the United States. It's not just Canada. It's not just North America. The interest rates globally are up. Everything is up right now. So we'll see what happens. I just don't think that we reach that momentum with the way things are globally, not just from interest rate standpoint, just the status of everything globally. When you talk about inflation, when you talk about really just everyone making financial shifts, and we're seeing this shift, right? So, we talk about the real estate markets a little bit, right? So what do I think about the real estate markets? I think that when interest rates pull back, I don't think the housing market is going to pull back with it. I think the housing market, the prices are going to go up with it, because people know how it feels right now to acquire something with a high interest rate. So that's just my 2 cents here, guys. I just wanted to provide some value. And, I know this is not the most popular opinion about the crypto market, but it is what we see in the crypto charts. And I hope you got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.